In this video, we are going to take a fresh install of WordPress, then we're going to install and activate the Easy Website template. As you see on the screen, I have a folder open for the brand that I'm building. Inside of the folder, I have 3 folders that I've created. You don't have to do this, but I found this helpful to organize your files as we build and grow a brand. The first folder is the brand files folder. This will hold your core files like your logo, icon, brand identity, worksheet, and more. The second folder is titled Other Files. This folder will hold any other random files you need to store. The third folder is for your website files. If we open the website files folder, you'll see that I have the Easy Website template download file and a folder to hold the website images I'm going to use as I build my website. Now that we've covered that, the first thing we need to do is extract the files from the website template download file. After you extract the files, you will see the folder show up. When we open the folder, you'll see 3 different files and 2 different folders. The first folder holds all the bonus downloads. The second folder has all of the individual page and section template files. These are what you'd use if you're already running on Elementor Pro and just want the templates for individual page design. Then to the files. The first is the handbook. The handbook will walk you through the steps in this video to install and activate your template. The next file is the template agreement, and the last file is the actual template itself. For now, let's go ahead and open the handbook. As you can see, I'm now inside of the dashboard of a fresh install of WordPress, and I have the Easy Website template handbook open and ready to go. So we're going to start by going through the handbook and following the steps. Of course, it says log in, which we are, so we're going to keep moving forward. The next step is to upload the plugin that we need in order for the template to work. So we're going to go to plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search bar, we're going to type in WPVivid and hit enter. And you'll see the plugin here, WPVivid by WPVivid Backup and Migration. The name is Migration Backup Staging WPVivid Backup and Migration. We're going to go ahead and click on install now. Now that it's installed, we're going to go ahead and click on activate. And now we are in the plugins backend. What we're going to do from here is come down to this section right here and click on upload. Once we're on the upload screen, we'll open our folder and then we'll grab the template file, drag it in, and drop it into the upload box. You'll see that it's processed. We're going to go ahead and click on upload. I'm going to go ahead and skip forward. You can pause this until your upload completes. Now that the files have uploaded, we're going to go ahead and click on OK. We can come down and now see that the template has been installed. We're going to go ahead and click on restore. It will open up the restore tab. We're going to click on restore again. Then we'll click on OK. In the initial install process, there are times where the server doesn't process all of the information and it could freeze up. If that is the case, normally it will freeze around 66%. If that happens, all you need to do is log back in and start over. So once I logged back in, I'm going to go ahead and hit the refresh screen, and then I'm going to click on restore again. We'll click restore and OK. I'll come back after this process is over. Once that process is completed, you will get the pop-up letting you know it is done and everything was completed successfully. We're going to go ahead and click on OK, and at this point it's going to log you out of the website. That's perfectly fine. It's supposed to do that. The next step is to put in the username and password for the template. You can either copy and paste it from the handbook itself, or if you go to the template guide, you can go ahead and click on copy username to clipboard. We'll come over here, we'll delete this. We'll paste in the username, we'll come back to the guide, copy the password, go back to the login screen, paste in the password, and log in. At this point, you should get the administration email verification. We're going to go ahead and click on Remind Me Later. And now that we've done that, if you come up here, you can click on Visit Site. I'm going to right click and click on Open in New Tab. And then if we open this up, you'll see that the website template is installed with all the placeholder content and everything is good to go. So if we come back to the dashboard, the next step is to actually create your user account. So we'll start by going to Users, and then we'll click on Add New User. This will take you to the page to add a new user. This is going to be your main user, so make sure you fill out the entire form. After you fill out your information, include a secure link to your website and a secure and strong password. You want to make sure your role is set to administrator and then click on Add New User. Now that you have created your user, the final step is to delete the template user. First, hover over where it says Delete Me Now and click on Log Out. Now you need to log in using the user information you just created. After you log in, go back to the users page by clicking on Users. Then, under the Start User, click on Delete. After you click Delete, it will take you to the confirmation page. Select the button for Attribute All Content To, and then click on Confirm Deletion. At this step, we're going to activate our Elementor Pro license. If you have not purchased a license for Elementor Pro, please come back to the website template guide, navigate to the What You Need section, click on the link in the list, and purchase a license today. After you purchase your Elementor Pro license, you can connect it. In order to do so, we're going to come over under Elementor, we'll hover over Elementor, and then click on License. Once you're here, you're going to go ahead and click on Connect and Activate. We'll click on Activate My License. And once you see that it's active, you're good to move forward. Now we have 2 quick steps that we need to do before we start to customize the website template. The next step is very important. Please do not skip this step. Towards the bottom of the sidebar, we're going to hover over Settings, and then we're going to click on General. Inside of this page, you will see the administration email address. You'll replace the email address with your email address, scroll to the bottom, and click on Save. The next thing is to save your permalinks. This is the way your website is structured, so I shouldn't have to say do not skip this step. We'll come back down to Settings, and we'll click on Permalinks. While this step is important, it is very easy. Just make sure that post name is selected, then scroll to the bottom and click on Save Changes. Congratulations! Now all that's left to do is customize your website and make it your own. Follow along with the template video training to finish your website. Remember, if you need help moving forward with your marketing and or branding, you can visit builtbypro.com or join the Pro Branding Club for more training, tools, and resources. Thank you for trusting us with your brand. We'll see you in the next video.